We are underway. This is a chance ball right away for DLSU. Nunag loves these. And Reterta, what a way to start things off. Jazz will set from the opposite side, Gajero. Back with Laput. Capistrano, secondary setter, Gajero. And that is still in play. Chance ball UP. Pump set. Losea from the other side. That is inside. And we turn it over now to Sophie Espiritu. Sophie?
After coming back from sickness, she was not fully satisfied with how she was playing. She said last game helped a lot with my confidence moving forward. Sometimes I just need to remind myself, I am Shavana Laput. I can trust myself and trust the preparation I've put in. So today we get to witness not yet the final version of Shavana in her eyes. The new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex from 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Back to you, Jaime and Maji.
Here's the thing, Sophie. Wow! Before that, I forgot my train of thought.
Really a good setup for Angel Camino, spiking that hard cross.
Spike of the set brought to you by Dunkin' Pasalubong ng Bayan. Beast mode na si Shev. Sabi baka may final version pa. I can't imagine na may isa pang version ni Shavana Laput na mas malakas pa.
And she's clearly not just focusing on the skill itself. She wants to be a leader. And that's what we're talking about. Spiking above the blockers of the Fighting Maroons, targeting always the setter.
So we are tied at 4. Lilay Del Castillo gets on the board for her first point. Let's add Cheska Ramos back to the group chat.
Career high of 30 points against NU last year. Every point she scores, every defensive stop she makes carries the weight of her hard work and sacrifices. As she once said, beauty ako sa labas ng court, pero beast pag nasa loob. This is our Sunsilk courtside report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Maji.
Okay. Good report. Goosebumps ako dun sa last statement.
The best possible way. And I think she's more of just performing to win this match.
I think she heard Cheska's report here. This is our sway your way moment of the game, brought to you by Sunsilk. Try the new Sunsilk.
That's really a good play for Itang, that running spike. Alam natin na forte niya talaga yon.
Nunag, Reterta. You know, Shane Reterta, she delivers goals. Makikita mo sa galaw ni Shane Reterta.
And even just the vibe and the aura, pag nasa loob siya ng court, pag nasa harap.
Stability.
Yes.
For Reterta.
The steadiness.
Gajero elevates, denied.
Coach Ramil all this time.
And we see that with an undefeated season. Back here in set number 1, Itang has been playing really well. That's Itang's third point here.
Targeting that soft touches because we know that LaSalle has really a kind of defense na palayo, knowing that.
Tied at 8.
Ooh, tough serve.
Strong serves here from Itang, and that will be a lead for UP. Reterta had to adjust, and it drops. Smart play there for Shane Reterta.
About to be a point.
Let's take a look at that one more time. Mga Limutan now with a full front line. High bump set. Laput. That is hard to stop.
Shavana Laput. Intention also, take a look at that. Hitting the outer arm.
Another deadlock at 10. This is our 8th or 9th deadlock in set number 1. Regalo. Kanina says thank you.
It's a perfect gift to be established if they want to na magana yung attack nila.
Mga Limutan going quick. Amy Provito says no thank you. The Stibay defensive play of the set is brought to you by Alastos Selyado ang bubong anumang panahon. A 3-0 run this time for DLSU. Timeout for UP.
Best blocker here in the UAAP.
Mga Limutan. Like a one-handed set, it won't work. Nunag. She has worked well with her middle blockers as Provido. Now with
Look at that. Giving the most comfortable set to Amy Provido, just spiking through the hands of...
That's a great serve for Amy.
They've been targeting Gahero.
That's Olango.
Olango hitting that deep cross. Take a look at that. Setting was perfect, pass was perfect. Kitang-kita mo na iniwas na kay Shivana hitting that crosscourt.
The confidence from the past 2 games. Nunag, Canino, slowed down by the blockers. Noceja. Get that out of here, says Angel Canino.
You know, Angel Canino is in front. The block is on press. It's penetrated inside the court, so they have nowhere to go.
Nunag. The reach by Lilay. Del Castillo now with 2 points as well. Bump set. Olango had to adjust. Capistrano, bump set back to Olango. And there was a check. Ian's confidence is showing here.
Seasoned na pagdating sa blockers, knowing Coach Ramil.
Jazz 1-2 play. That is beautiful for mga Limotan.
I expect because they have Nina Itang in front.
They tried to cover the slack. Respect. What a set. What a hit.
Take a look at that. That speed, that elevation, and that swing is just...
Congratulations here for Nunag. That's 5 points now for Amy Provido. Nunag. Wow. Good dig from Noceja. Gahero De Leon keeps it in play. Back row Canino.
Of course, Jaime Canino pa ba tayo pupunta? I hope it translates.
Jazz set up. Gahero nakabuelo. But the blockers have been tight here for DLSU.
Look at that approach, trying to speed up also her attacks. But then, nakabantay talaga.
DLSU.
Ooh.
And a service ace.
Actually, the LaSalle has been serving well.
Gahero dug by De Leon. Back row again. Canino rolls it and it drops for set point.
But again, the veteran Angel Canino just playing around with her variation, making the defense of...
They're making the out of system plays look like it's in system.
Yeah.
So it still looks organized.
Yeah.
Gahero slowed down by the block. Nunag a chance to counter. Laput. Great defense there by Olango. Chance for DLSU. Is this it? Reterta drop ball. Beauty.
We can see really